Hey guys, Jacob here at ePoolSupply. Today we got a Paramount 6-port valve. Actually we have, this will work with any valve, but we're gonna change out the band clamp assembly on this thing. Stay tuned. All right guys, and we're back. So we got the Paramount 6-port valve here. This video will work with any valve. If you have a 2-port, 3-port, 4-port, 6-port, both in 2-inch and 1.5 inch. So first things first, if you haven't subscribed, click that subscribe button, stay up to date with our videos for all of our products. So let's dive on in. We got our Paramount 6-port valve and we have our band clamp. So to change out your band clamp, first things first, go to your equipment, turn the pump off. I do not want to see or hear about if you take your band clamp off and this thing pops up and smashes you in the face. So you're going to turn your power off, that way there's no pressure at the valve. And a good way to tell that too is if this gauge says 0. So let's dive in. I have a knob installed on mine. Paramount has 2 different options. Some people do both, some people do one. They also give you a nut, so you can do a knob or a nut. Inside the packaging of the band clamp, it comes with both the knob and the nut. So you can kind of choose or use both, whatever you want to do. I like the knob, it's a lot easier. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to start undoing my knob with the equipment off. So you undo it. Comes right off, and literally the band clamp will just come apart like so. So you're gonna take it off, put a new one on. The most common reason why people are replacing these clamps in the first place is because when they're putting this back together, they take a nut or the knob and a drill and cross thread this thing on there. Then you're forced, because you cannot just change out the bolt going through there because it's kind of like welded in the back. So please don't use power tools. So the first things first, you're gonna put the band clamp back on there. You want to seat perfectly on the upper and the lower so this thing sits perfectly in there. And then what I'm gonna do, take my knob, because I prefer the knob, and then start threading it on there. And what I'm going to do after that, it's going to get a little bit tighter. So maybe squeak a little bit. Yeah. Right when that happens, I take a screwdriver. And what I do on the screwdriver is I go to the exact opposite end of the clamp where I'm installing the band clamp knob, and I hit it. And what that does is it seats this backside a little bit more forward. So that way when you're tightening this knob, it actually loosened up a little bit more over here, so that way you get a nice seat on the clamp. So I'm going to tighten up a little bit more, hand tight, no drills, and now it's snug. So what I'm going to do now, instruct you guys to go over, turn your pool pump on. If you think this thing's all nice and snug, turn it on, come back over here, look for leaks. The places where you're going to find leaks, if for some reason it is leaking, is right on the seam here where the knob and the bolt is, or the other 2. So there's one up here and one up here. So you're just gonna see drips. If you see drips, take it back apart, take the lid off, lube up the O-ring on the inside, and then put it all back together. You should be good. If not, get a new O-ring, swap it out. So, I'm Jacob with ePoolSupply. Today we changed out the band clamp on a Paramount 6-port valve. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.